Just dropped the van off at the auto place. Apparently mom set up an appointment, they didn't have it in the system. Good morning, squad. It is September 2nd, still in Las Vegas. Loving the city, loving the vibe, loving the weather. But one big problem we've been having, the damn car is trying to overheat. So we're gonna take it in and get a radiator flush today. Then we're gonna check out some other places today. I know we wanna do a little series, 7 days of the cannery, which means I'm gonna go to the cannery every day for 7 days and see if it'll be a profitable week playing slots. Yesterday I won $37. I was down about $180, came back and won $37. So let's go ahead and check it out. Just dropped the van off at the auto place. Apparently mom set up an appointment, they didn't have it in the system. So I don't know, we'll see what happens with this place. I know it's only like $100 for a radiator flush, but now we're over here trying to figure out something to do because he said it'd take a couple hours. So I'm like, ah, dang it. So there's a Lowe's across, there's a McDonald's, but the McDonald's doesn't serve dining. It's only drive-through. We can't walk through the drive-through. So we might walk up to 7-Eleven or something over here and get something because I'm hungry as hell right now. Ugh, always something. But we'll wait for this van and then we'll be back on the road. If they don't want to fix it, they said something. If there's a leak, there ain't no leak. So I know a lot about cars. So I would usually do this stuff on my own, but I don't have a garage or anything to do it at. But I guess we'll walk down here and see what we could find, and hopefully there's somewhere to eat. If y'all seen the footage, we just went into WinCo. We never even heard of WinCo. Mom was actually dropping her car off at the shop. And we're like, oh, where are we gonna be? We didn't get no food or anything, so we're like, we'll go in this place. What's WinCo? Oh my God, the prices are cheaper than Wyoming. It's crazy. Some of the prices are half off, and it's, you know, pretty close to where we live. Not right by where we live, but not that far of a drive, really. And I'm like, holy cow, we found our grocery store. Oh man, of course. We get out of the auto place. We came for a coolant flush, a radiator coolant flush. Of course, there's a crack in the radiator, rusted and stuff like that. So, $800 for instance, which is the cheapest in Vegas. I got a high quote of $1,300. So tomorrow morning, I guess we're gonna go spend $800 on the van, and but that's our only transportation right now. So of course we got to spend the money. Seems like it's always something, but they're really nice over here at Sun Auto on, what is this street, Mom?
West Washington.
West Washington Avenue. Jesse, big shout out to Jesse in here. If you guys ever have any car problems or anything in Vegas, I suggest coming here because they really cut off the price a lot for us. The initial quote was like $900 and he dropped it down to like $790. So gave us a little bit of a deal. It's kind of sucks to do. I do have some money in my savings, but man, it's always something. But we got to have a car. So now we're gonna go, I guess, check out a casino. Hopefully one that's right around the block. Hopefully we win a jackpot over there. We're getting some gas right now. Then we're gonna head to Jackpot Joni's, a local casino. We're gonna check it out. We have a small budget. We're not gonna go crazy because we just spent $800 on the car, but we'll give it a shot and we'll see if we can win at least a couple hundred back for the 800. Fingers crossed. Luckily the gas pumped that we're at. We're number 7, so maybe that's a good sign. We'll see. Let's go check it out. Jackpots at Joni's. Jeez, not like 160 or some bullshit in that motherfucker, man. I don't know what was going on. We were winning at the beginning. We probably should have just cashed out on Wolf Run and dipped. When we went on China Shores, we started winning. There was an option, 80 free games or up to $325 win, and it was the lowest, $12. I should have took the 80 free games and cashed out and dipped, but we didn't, and kept betting more, and damn, what a terrible experience with that. We're gonna try one more place, and then that's the end of the gambling for the day. We already gambled out $800 for the car, so can't be doing that much more. But we're gonna give one more place a shot. I'm gonna see what's in here. There was only like 10 machines in that place. It looks huge from the outside. You're like, damn, this is nice. And then nope. And a lot of people tell me the locals ones are the better ones, but not so good for us. Check out another local spot, Rampart Casino. Not that far. We actually missed the turn. We didn't realize there was 3 turn lanes, but that's right. We're just flipping a U-turn right here. We're gonna go into the plaza over there, and we'll be right there at the casino. Please, please give us some love. Guys, we were down like 180 and I was getting depressed. Bam, we won 160 here so far, so we're only down 20 bucks for the day. This is a badass casino. It's huge. They got a nice restaurant over here. We're gonna try it out. What's the name of the place?
Earl Gray's.
Earl Gray's. We're gonna check that out. Maybe we'll do a review video in the future for Sin City food reviews, but right now we're gonna play a few more games and we're gonna go over there and eat. 10 bucks for chick parm, 13 bucks for prime ribs, so we can't beat that. What a nightmare. We were up like 100 bucks. Then we end up losing another 100. So we end up losing like 260 or 280 for the day. 180 at freaking Jackpot Joni's, and then another 100 in here. When we were up, I was like, damn. So I figured we'd hit a bonus on the Buffalo and nothing. We hit one bonus and we ended up winning like $12 on the machine. So bad day. Down 280 for the day. Bad day gambling. And then we have to pay 800 bucks for mom's car. So $1,000 loss today. Not good, not good. But we're gonna head back to the house and